Have you ever wondered why the vast majority of ginger cats are male? Or why they often develop a reputation for being more outgoing than other felines? Perhaps you've also spotted that distinct letter-like M pattern on their brow. Let's explore the biological and genetic mysteries behind these orange-coated felines, beginning with their beautiful coat markings. Every ginger cat displays one of four primary stripe designs. These include the classic swirl, the tiger-like mackerel stripes, the ticked pattern with its multi-toned hair shafts, and the less common spotted variation. But what causes this inevitable patterning? It traces back directly to their genetics. The very same DNA that dictates their reddish coat ensures that they will always express some form of stripes. Far from a random evolutionary trait, this is a core aspect of feline biology. In wild environments, these patterns functioned as protective camouflage, allowing ancestral felines to melt into tall grass and dense foliage while hunting or hiding from larger predators. Even in modern homes, where camouflage is no longer a survival necessity, these markings still serve a purpose in social dynamics. Subtle variations in these patterns help cats signal their emotions and intentions to one another. The boldness of these patterns can vary significantly. Some display stark, striking stripes reminiscent of wild tigers, while others sport a softer, more muted coat that lends them a gentler look. Interestingly, this orange coat is not a standalone breed. Rather, it is a color genetic expression found across many distinct breeds, from the folded ears of a Scottish fold to the flat face of an exotic shorthair. The primary gene responsible for this coloration resides on the X chromosome and appears across a wide variety of feline lineages, granting each ginger cat a highly distinct appearance. Interestingly, there is a biological bridge connecting ginger cats to certain humans. Researchers have shown that the fiery fur of these cats and red hair in humans share a genetic link. Both owe their color to a specific pigment called pheomelanin. This pigment is coded directly into their DNA, resulting in the beautiful spectrum of red, orange, and cream tones we observe in both species. This brings us back to that X chromosome, which holds another surprising secret. Did you know that around 80% of all orange cats are male? This uneven distribution is purely mathematical. Because the gene for orange fur is carried on the X chromosome, male cats, who have only one X chromosome, need just a single copy of this gene to display the color. Female cats, who have two X chromosomes, must inherit the gene from both parents to turn orange. This makes male ginger tabbies significantly more common than females, illustrating how fundamentally genetics govern animal traits. Many people believe that orange cats are unusually gentle and loving. While some self-reported surveys from pet owners support this claim, science suggests it may be influenced by confirmation bias, where owners expect an orange cat to be warm and thus view their normal antics in a more positive light. However, there may be some truth to the rumor. Because the majority of orange cats are male, and males are sometimes noted for being slightly more social, this gender bias may skew the data. Additionally, some evolutionary studies suggest that the orange gene might be linked to bolder, more risk-tolerant temperaments, making these cats more comfortable initiating contact with humans compared to more timid felines. Physically, orange cats also show interesting sexual dimorphism. Male ginger cats are often noticeably larger and heavier than those with other coat colors, whereas female orange cats tend to be more compact. This size difference aligns with historical survival roles. Larger males were better suited to defending territory and competing for food, while smaller, more agile females could move quickly to protect their litters. You may have also noticed the classic M shape on their brow. Historically, this marking has inspired many myths and legends, from ancient signs to symbols of superior intelligence. In reality, this M is a natural feature shared by all tabby cats. bright, high-contrast nature of orange fur, this mark simply stands out much more vividly on ginger tabbies than on others, adding a touch of classic charm to their expressive faces. Finally, many owners report that their orange companions are remarkably vocal. Why do they seem to have so much to say? A cat's vocalizations are never random. A soft purr often communicates relaxation and comfort, while a loud meow can indicate a request for food or attention. They may even use unique chirping sounds to express curiosity, such as when observing prey from a window. These expressive vocal cues make them highly interactive companions,